Good morning, three little kitties. Good morning, boys. Gizmo, Yen, Stormy. They're having their treat.
Well, it's not morning. What time is it? Oh, it is. It's 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning.
And it is raining, and raining.
Isn't it, boys? You the last one to get through, Yen? Yen. He's the baby. He's the baby of the family, aren't you, Yen? Well, aren't you our newest addition? Okay, y'all. Is that good? Alright, little treat bowls. How you left a treat? Stormy? What are you doing, Stormy? Hi. His name is Stormy because he was caught out in a storm. And I rescued him.
And who's under there? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, he likes the camera.
You like the camera too, Stormy? Where'd Gizmo go? Huh? Well, I'm going back to bed, y'all. Good night. I went back to bed. I'm back in bed, y'all. You know why? Because it's 6 o'clock. I gave them a little snack, and then I'll hold them till I get up and get their breakfast. This is a Tuesday morning. I don't know what day it is. It might be the 14th. August 14th. I think. I don't know, y'all. I'm going back to sleep. I just got up, clean their potty box, get them food, wash up, and go back to bed. Okay, y'all. Good night. I'm going to sleep another couple hours. Then get up and have breakfast. Have a good day. Bye.